Hello! Right now we will go through all of the stages of rendering the scene. Blender. The first step that you need to do is to open your stage. To render a scene on the render farm, you must save the Blender file. Before uploading a scene to the file, you need to check the name of the scene and the camera so that they contain only Latin letters and numbers. After you have checked the names, you need to save your scene. To do so, click on the File button, Save As, and then select where you want to save the file. After saving, add the file to the archive. After that, you need to go to your personal account on farm.turborender.com. At the top, click on the New Task button. The software selection menu will open up and you need to click on the Blender. The task creation window opened up. Here you can check if there is a plugin that you used in the scene and fonts if you used them. Now you need to select the archive with your project. Pay attention that if your archive is more than 10 gigabytes, you need to preload it via FTP Manager and then click Select Upload File. We recommend using FileZilla, which is a free FTP client. Host for connection, ftp.turborender.com. Username and password, same as when registering on the website. If your archive is less than 10 gigabytes, you can safely select it directly from your computer by clicking Upload New Archive. Now you need to specify the scene render settings. Please note that the fields marked with an asterisk are required. The first thing you need is to specify the name of the task. Set the required number of servers, for example, 10 to 15 for a large or complex project, and 1 to 5 for simpler projects. We recommend to choose based on the complexity of the project and the volume. The more complex, the more servers. On our channel, you can find more detailed instructions on how to choose the number of servers to render. After that, you need to specify the scene name. The scene name is the name of the Blender file with an extension, such as render.blend. Specify the range of frames or the number of one frame. Frames can be specified with a dash and a comma. For example, 0-50, 69, 80. Specify the name of the camera that you used. If it is necessary, enable the use of the V-Ray. Select the name of the rendered file and the format in which you want to receive the file. As well as that, if it is necessary, add a prefix to the archive. In the additional parameters, if it is necessary, you set the size of the finished image and the frame step. As soon as you fill in all the required fields, click on the Run Render button. The load of your project to the farm has begun. If something went wrong, please contact the technical support group. As soon as the scene has loaded onto the render, a notification on personal account will show up that your project went to the render, and the task will appear in the list. To view the full information, you need to click on the task name. A window with detailed information about the task has opened up in front of you. In the tasks window, you can see the task ID for the technical support group, task status, cost, as well as the parameters with which you run the scene on the render. Which servers render your scene and how many of them. Here you can find the log files of each server in case something goes wrong. You can go to the Tasks section. You will see a full list of your tasks. The status of the active task changes automatically. As soon as the render is over, the farm will pack the resulting files in the archive and create a link to download. You only have to click on the Download Files button and wait for the archive to download. Note that the finished files are deleted after 14 days. If you have any questions or you encounter difficulties during the render, you can write our technical support group a letter by visiting the website turborender.com or in your account. They will always help you out.